Today we're going to be checking out the renovation progress that was made at this cottage over the last couple of weeks. Let's check it out. We had originally planned to do only a little aesthetic work to this cottage. Paint a few walls, reuse and paint the kitchen cabinetry, and clean up a few things. But once a renovation gets started, things tend to snowball. The main fireplace seemed to be in the way of having a larger open space to fit furniture, and this column didn't help either. So we decided that they had to come out. This beam right here is going to be replaced by one continuous beam. We're going to take out this column here so that you get a more open area and you can fit a lot more furniture. The solution was to add one continuous 3-ply LVL wood beam to carry the load of the main roof along the length of the room. In order to install the beam, we had to support the roof on either side of the future beam location by installing these support walls. Once we did that, the beam was installed with a little effort, and now we had a larger interior space to work with. I think it looks a lot better. Originally, there were only 2 bedrooms and a pull-out couch in the living area, but we wanted to create a 3rd bedroom. We decided to put the 3rd bedroom in the L-shaped space in the main living area. In order to do that, we had to knock out a few more walls. So we knocked out a section of the existing exterior wall in order to create the new room. This required the installation of another beam in order to carry the load of the roof. Once that was completed, the 3rd bedroom was created. After revisiting the interior living space, it still seemed to be a little bit small, so we decided to remove the existing exterior wall in order to give a little bit more space to the interior. That required yet another beam to be installed, so we got to work. This area here used to be a breezeway where you could put some chairs and sit kind of in an indoor-outdoor setting. But what we did was, in order to expand the main area of the cottage, we took the floor, we raised it up to match the existing floor, we took the exterior wall out, and we made the main area of the cottage a lot bigger. We now have a huge interior space where we can fit a lot of furniture. There's a lot of light that comes in from the new exterior wall, and it just brightens up the whole cottage. The last major change to the cottage was the reframing of the exterior wall for the new windows. We decided to go with rectangular shaped windows that would span the perimeter of the 3 outer sides of the cottage with a view of the lake. We wanted to install floor-to-ceiling windows, but because this expansion was pretty well a last-minute decision, we opted to go for windows that were in stock at the Home Depot. Custom windows needed a lead time of at least 6 to 8 weeks, and we couldn't wait. So we purchased the new windows and installed them. I think the space looks really good now. These were major things that were done over the last couple of weeks, and I think the cottage looks a lot better. There's a lot more space inside, and just everything seems to be coming together. There's still a lot more work to be done, including replacing the kitchen cabinetry and changing the entire bathroom, but I'll show that in another video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Check back soon, and I will see you in the next one.